Hello everyone, this is OP sir and welcome to Ganitom Mathematics. Dear students, we will be discussing question number 8 of exercise 1.1 chapter rational number of standard 8. Dear students, here you can see question is 8 upon 9 the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. So dear students, for this question we have to know that what is multiplicative inverse. We have discussed in the theory classes already that multiplicative inverse is nothing but just a reciprocal of any number. Okay, so we will see that, and the next question is that why or why not. So that also we will explain, because when we take the number, means when we take the product of any number and their reciprocal, the result is 1, then we can say that number, the particular number which we will obtain, that is multiplicative inverse of any number. Okay, so we will see that minus 1 upon 8 is there. So we have to find the multiplicative inverse of this. So multiplicative inverse of, actually this we will change a little format. So 8 ones are 8 plus 1, that is minus 9 upon 8. So that is minus 9 upon 8. So minus 9 upon 8 is there. So multiplicative inverse of minus 9 upon 8, we have to take reciprocal. So that will be 8 upon minus 9. And usually as we don't keep negative in denominator, so that will be minus 8 upon 9. But you see that it is 8 upon 9, which is not matching actually. It means what? That 8 upon 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. One more cross check we will do, that we will take the product of both. So product of 8 upon 9 and minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. So that 8 upon 9 into, this is what? With what we have got? Minus 9 upon 8. What it gives? 9 cancel, 8 cancel. So minus 1 we got. But what we want? 1. So we can say no. Why? Because 1 is not the product of number and its reciprocal. That is the explanation of that. Okay, so by this way we can say that 8 upon 9 is not the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 whole 1 upon 8. Okay students, thank you for watching this video.